Hello everyone, welcome on the channel. So today I am going to demonstrate you how you can enable AWS multi-session support in your AWS console. So I have already been logged in using one of the IAM user account, and I'm clicking on extreme top right, and you can see there is an option of turn on multi-session support. So I'm clicking on it, and here you can see AWS multi-session support dialog box, which is saying that AWS support logging into multiple root, IAM or federated roles in different accounts or in the same account in the same browser. So this is known as multi-session support. And it is very easy to enable. So just click over turn on multi-session support and you have enabled this feature in your AWS console. So the next step is that you have to add all the sessions which you want on this uh, uh, browser or session. So click over here, and I am going to add another IAM user in this session. Let me enter password. It is all done. Sign in. So I have added one session in my AWS console, and this is one dev. And when I am clicking over here, you can see one other active session, admin. So suppose I want to work in admin session, so I will click over here. So in the another tab I can access other session, and in this session you can see when you click over here, so you will see one other active session, that is day one. So this is IAM user Dave, and this is IAM user admin. Not only IAM users, you can, as I told you, you can add any root account or any federated roles in same account or different account. So this is the latest feature of from AWS multi-session support. And one more thing, suppose you want to sign out. So here you can see the sign out of all sessions. So when I'm clicking over here, so I'm getting that altogether you can sign out of all sessions. Or if you want to sign out from a single session, you can use the session list in the account menu to sign them out individually. So in even you can sign out individually, or all you can sign out of all sessions in a single moment. This is up to you. So I am signing out of all sessions altogether. So this is the AWS multi-session support feature. I hope you like the this demonstration on multi-session support. Thank you very much.